Kneecap 2024. I saw a previous screening of this 2 or 3 weeks ago. I did start recording a review then, but the sound quality was very poor, so I abandoned it. But I really enjoyed it. Brilliant film. Hadn't heard anything about it before. Effectively, whilst the early scenes are from several decades ago, during the Troubles, so 70s, 80s, dating it. The scenes that appear at the start of the film are after Bobby Sands, so that would be 1981. But then you see stuff that clearly indicates we're talking about the current era, the 2020s, or certainly within the last decade. This is when much of it is set because there's been an Irish language movement, which is quite similar. I'm very familiar with the Welsh language movement because I've lived in Welsh Wales for quite a few years, and there were all sorts of protests. There were often troubles such as the burning down of second homes, weren't living in them. There was a large campaign for a Welsh language television station during the late 70s and early 80s. And in 1982, when Channel 4 came into fruition, so did S4C, S4C, as it's known in Welsh Wales. I remember graffiti after that saying all should be well. People were at least happy that there was a Welsh television channel. Now, in Ireland, in Northern Ireland, I guess in the Belfast area, it's from the point of view of Republicans who want a united Ireland. There's this young lad, probably into his early 20s, and his father has been declared dead, but there's uncertainty that he is dead. Every day that he stays undetected, as the father says himself, it's a victory against the occupiers. The music is in Irish language, and I knew little about this subject until I saw this film, but it's really refreshing seeing it from the Irish point of view. A lot of the news I've seen over the years is from the British perspective, and it's good to balance it out and see the other side. There was many difficult times during the Troubles in the 70s and 80s when terrorist bombings of various places. There were a lot of awful tragedies in Belfast, in London Derry. Don't know what to call that city. The essence of this story is this lad forms a band and it's Irish rap, Irish hip hop, and it is really enjoyable. It's really good fun. It's really catchy. I'm amazed I haven't heard about it. I think it is set in the last few years, so it's something that's ongoing and it's part of the campaign to promote Irish as a language. And every nation feels more complete when it has its own language. I've seen a lot of that in Wales. I mean, there's stickers everywhere. Yeah, meaning yes, I think for independence, either that or a higher level of devolution. I know people who want that, and given all the fragments of the divisions that occur in England, especially since the Brexit vote, I guess it's not surprising. I don't know what will happen in the long run. I'll try and keep out of the politics for the moment, but I found this a really fascinating journey. Whilst watching it, I have a lot of sympathy for the protagonists, and one of them gets chased through the streets. He steals something, gets chased down the streets by the loyalists who are on a march. I think it's the Orange March. There's a lot of fun woven into this story, and so I find it hugely entertaining. I'm going to score it 9 out of 10. It really is. The music is really catchy. It's a really worthwhile film to see if you get the opportunity. I find this really a good film to watch. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you do. and I hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.